Good morning and check out this view. This is Estero Bay and it looks nice. Notice some high cloud cover. That's what we're going to see throughout the day, but plenty of sunshine as well. And I will say one thing about those high clouds, they make for some amazing sunsets. So that might be something you want to check out later on today. Currently seeing temperatures in the 60s to low 60s inland, 60 Palmdale, actually 58 in Immokalee, a little cooler there, but 68 in Fort Myers, so much warmer the closer you get to the coast. We're going to be warm today, upper 70s, lower 80s, and we'll continue with this warm pattern. We're not going to see any major changes until the end of the weekend, and then we finally have some rain in the forecast and a cool down.
Absolutely, and hopefully here, Mary, we have, some decent weather. We need rain, though. We see a little bit of that coming.
Yeah, we certainly do need rain. It'll be on the way. We got a few days left, though, so of this nice warm weather, this is going to stick around for a little bit longer, and then we got the changes. I'll show you that with our 7-day forecast. Let's check out these temperatures. We are warming up. 68 in Naples, 66 Port Charlotte. Good morning, Lehigh Acres, 65. Wind is light out of the southeast right now. Going into the afternoon, though, we will see a shift in the wind to the southwest. A little bit of a sea breeze kicking up again. It's very weak, and we are not expecting any rain. We're getting some throwback 90s music. We're not going to see the 90s this afternoon, but we will see the 80s.
We can take the 80s.
Yeah,
I know a lot of people who love the 80s.
Yeah, I love the 80s. Temperatures, the decade. Welcome back. Getting a look right now at Southwest Florida. So 68 in Fort Myers. We're so mild here in terms of our temperatures. Maybe not so much the case if you head further north and west. Plenty of cooler temperatures. Okay, so let's get a look at the jet stream. Notice there's a dip here. This trough works its way in by Sunday into Monday. So this shift in the weather pattern is when we're really going to notice some changes in the form of some rain and some cooler weather. But notice, we still got a few days left of a very tranquil weather pattern, and enjoy it while it lasts. Let's get a look outside. This is gorgeous. This is our Sanibel Harbor Marriott Skycam, and that is a beautiful view of the water there. A few high clouds, but plenty of sunshine. That will be what we see throughout the day, and temperatures are going to really be warming up. You're still seeing some cool areas inland, especially right now. 59 in Lehigh Acres, but the rest of us mainly in the mid-60s, so we're warming up. Wind is light out of the southeast. You'll get a shift to the southwest in the afternoon. So notice that shift there to the southwest. We do get a little bit of a sea breeze. That should keep our beach locations in the 70s. The rest of us, though, are going to see 80s, and it's going to be pretty comfortable. Above average, but not record-breaking. Feeling good, great weather just to be outside. Now tonight, things look pretty good as well. We'll see a mainly clear sky. Great at night to watch the sunset. Tomorrow morning, really not tracking much. You might see a little tiny bit of fog, and then in the afternoon, though, plenty of sunshine. Looking at high temperatures today. Low and mid 80s inland, upper 70s, some low 80s at the coast and at the beaches. I think we're going to stay in the upper 70s due to that southwest wind. If you're boating, things are looking really good. You got very light wind out over the Gulf. Southwest 5 to 10 knots this afternoon. Gulf waves will just be between 1 and 2 feet at most, and we're going to be smooth in our bays. So get outside, get on the boat if you're able to. Things are looking pretty good. 81, partly cloudy today. We're going to see 59 in the morning, high of 81. Could see some fog in the morning. I don't think it's going to be a big nuisance, but something to look out for. Friday, mostly sunny, high of 81, and we keep it pretty nice on Saturday, which is good news because you should be heading out to the Wink News Feeds Families Hunger Walk. It's going to be mostly sunny in the 70s, and the walk begins at 9:30, and then things change. So Sunday into Monday, that's when that system I showed you works its way in. We're going to be looking at scattered rain, wind going up, and temperatures dipping. That's a high of only 71 Monday. And we'll see a cool morning Tuesday in the 50s with a high of 76 and plenty of sunshine. Over to you, Tracy.
All right. Thank you, Mary.
Up with this, a beautiful start to the day, Mary.
It is absolutely gorgeous. Behind us, that's Estero Bay.
It's fantastic. Wow.
It makes me just want to run outside, but I have to wait till after the show's over to do that. Let's get a look, though. That is a gorgeous view this morning. Water looks very nice. You can see the nice color in the sky. Also a beautiful view at another water view. There's our Sanibel Harbor Marriott Skycam, and that is gorgeous. You can see the entrance to the causeway actually in the foreground. Temperatures. 50s and 60s this morning. Now the 50s we are seeing are upper 50s. 57 in Immokalee, 59 in Port Charlotte. We're seeing low 60s along the Lee County and Collier County coastline. It is pleasant, a little warmer than average, and that trend continues as we head into the afternoon. Let's talk about the rest of the day. So through this morning, there might be some haze out there, but I think we're going to see that move out pretty quickly. 9 o'clock looks pretty clear. As we head into the afternoon, notice a partly cloudy sky. Things look pretty good through lunchtime. In the afternoon, 2 o'clock, and notice a lot of blue mixed in with some of those clouds. So we're going to see enough sunshine to really warm us up. We're heading into the lower 80s today, so it is going to be pretty warm. We'll continue to see a partly cloudy sky through the afternoon and as we head into the evening. So it's looking pretty comfortable. You should have a pretty nice view today of the sunset as well. Highs low and mid 80s inland. If you are next to water, if you're along the coast or near Lake O, we're going to see upper 70s and lower 80s. So that's warmer than average, but still pretty comfortable. An east wind kicks in today about 10 to 15 miles per hour. This evening, wind will be about 5 to 10. Temperatures will be in the 70s. If you have Saturday night plans, you're in luck. It should be very mild. And if you have boating plans, looking pretty good as well. 1 to 2 feet in the Gulf, light chop for the bays. And our water temperatures are in the mid 60s. Your 7-day forecast is right here, low 80s both today and tomorrow. We're waking up to 59 on your Sunday morning. So it'll be on the cooler side for some of you if you're going out early tomorrow morning, but still pretty mild, especially for this time of year. Lows will stay in the low 60s through next week. Highs will be in the mid 80s by midweek, but overall that is a very quiet 7-day forecast.